Hey guys, it's me, back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting one of the most requested. It's not really the most requested, but it was requested a couple times. It's the Kaiju number 8 mask. So I really like this design of the mask. I want to make a skull dragon mask for a long time, and I think this one's perfect for that. It meets the requirement. It looks like a skull, a dragon at the same time. So we're gonna start our thing with a piece of A4 paper, and we'll just fold it in half like that. Now this time I want you to fold it vertically instead of horizontally like I usually do, and we will add some design on this side, and then we'll cut it out and actually add the design later on. So first up, let's do a rough sketch of our mask. Now if I look at it correctly, we've got a couple portions. So here's the top portion, which it looks like this. It's got a horn, and in between that we've got another thing that looks like that. It's extended outwards a little bit, and then we've got the bottom right there. Now there's a jaw right there and some teeth. So this is our basic structure for the mask. We'll do the designing later on. Alright, that looks good. So let's cut this out. Actually, before that, we need to cut out the eyes as well. So let's draw out the eyes. It's somewhere in the middle, probably there. Alright, so I'll cut this out. Alright, so here's the basic layout, and this is what it's going to look like after it all finishes. Well, we need to add a lot of designs first. So let's just take the new side where nothing's been drawn, and let's start by coloring the eyes. So we just want to outline the eyes like that. Like eyeshadow. I don't know what exactly this would be in technical terms. Anyways, so here's the eyeshadow, and we're just going to look like that. It's not really a big part of the design, so if you don't want to do this, you can just skip it out as well. Anyways, there's one eye, and I don't want to mirror it exactly the same on the other side, because that wouldn't look that good. So I'm going to just modify it a little bit. Alright, like that. And let's do the same for the nose as well. And after that, I'll do the cracks. Do we do the cracks first? Let's start with this horn right there, goes up, down, another one, and finally connects back together like that. Just like that. There's a couple more design I'd like to add, like this. And I want to add the iconic crack on one side. I don't know, I'm just trying to mesh all the designs together from Google. Right there. To make it more realistic, I'll add a couple of cracks right there. And most of it is pretty much done. So let's take this one, add some more cracks. I'll do the cracks later on, how about that? Let's move on to the jaws. Alright, so the jaws start right there like that, followed from this crack, right there. I'll switch back to this, and it's like right there. For the jaws, I think we can mirror it the same way on the other side. Alright, now, I mean the teeth, I kept saying jaw, I'm sorry. I was trying to refer to the teeth. Now, it looks like it's smiling, but we'll fix that soon enough. There. Oopsie. I'll fix that. Anyways, I'll quickly finish the design and I'll see when it's done. Alright, so here's the finished product. Now there's just a couple more steps left. That is to add some folds at the bottom and at the top. So first let's do the bottom folds like this. Alright, so once that's done, we just need to add a couple folds around the eyes. Like that. And folds everywhere basically, just make it look worn out, because that's the look I'm trying to go for. And once those are done, we have one final fold remaining, which is the big one right at the top like this. So it's that long. Just fold it and tape it. Just like that. And there isn't much more to do, so that's pretty much it. You could add a folder too right around there at the bottom, but I think it's fine without that. So yeah, that's about it. Our cool mask Kaiju number 8 is done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.